Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube Shorts using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, open the Chrome browser, select your profile, and open canva.com. In the URL box, you can also use google.com to search canva.com. After opening the Canva website, just log in with the Gmail account. After logging Gmail account, go to this option. As you can see here, create a design, click on it. Now here you have to type YouTube and you will get all the access. Go to the YouTube Shorts and click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundreds suggestions and templates which you can use in your YouTube Shorts. For example, I want to make a YouTube Shorts of a pet, so I will search pet and say this. It looks super cool. I will show you how it is. Okay, I think it's does okay. Right now it's loading here. Okay, so say this one. It's really look nice. You can check out different themes and suggestions. Damn, this one is cute. Okay, then if you want to make changes, just stop the YouTube Shorts and select the text, and you can change the text as well as type anything. You can change the text font as well as text color by clicking on A and make it red. You can change the text font as well as go to this one and the text font will be changed. You can also do the image upload by clicking on image and upload your file or your pet image and upload in this YouTube short. After making all the changes, go to share option, click on download, select the maximum size and download it. So guys, this was video on how to create YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.